Welcome to Catherine's tutorial. In this video, we'll learn about codominance. So what is codominance? And before getting into what is codominance, we should know what is dominance. If you take the monohybrid cross where Mendel took the height as a character, he crossed capital T with small t, he got this form in F1 generation. And this particular heterozygous form was exhibiting the tallness. So here, the dominant character only expressed here, the recessive character doesn't express. Okay, only the tallness is expressed here, even though it is heterozygous in condition. This is known as dominance. Okay, where the one gene marks the expression of the other gene, where it expresses its character, is known as dominance. And in the last video, we learned about incomplete dominance. So what is incomplete dominance? Incomplete dominance where Carl Correns has crossed. It was conducted in the year 1905. He crossed red flower with white. Red flower is dominant, white flower is recessive. When he crossed these two, this was expressed in capital R, this was expressed in small r to show the recessive state and dominant state. So when they have crossed the F1 generation, they got capital R, small r. So according to Mendel, if this is a dominant gene, should suppress the expression of this particular gene, but this thing doesn't happen in case of snapdragon and Mirabilis jalapa. So in those plant only, Carl Correns conducted this incomplete dominant experiment. So it is particular gene, that is a dominant gene, not able to completely mask the expression of small r form. So here the incomplete dominance has been expressed and resulting in combination of white and red. There was a new combination obtained. So this is known as incomplete dominance, where one dominant gene or one dominant form doesn't able to suppress the other recessive form. It doesn't able to completely mask the expression of the small r, so resulted in a new form known as pink color. So we obtain an intermediate color, not white, not red. It expresses intermediate color in a heterozygous state. This is known as incomplete dominance. And what is codominance? To express this codominance or to explain this concept, I am taking the same example. Here to explain codominance. If you take this capital R, that is a red color flower crossed with small r. Okay. And what was the resultant gametes? We obtain capital R, small r in F1 generation. Okay. So this is red color and this is white color. In case of incomplete dominance, they result in a combination of pink color. But what will happen here? It shows codominant. Both the genes expressed, okay, and you can able to find a flower, a red color flower which has white dots. So it is a mixture of both the colors where white and red was found. And here there is no mixture of these two combinations. There is no interaction between these two combinations. Both the genes express their character. So it is known as codominance, where the dominant expresses its character, comes under dominance, where one of the dominant gene not able to express or suppress the character of the other form, it results in incomplete dominance, where we have got new combination, that is pink color. But in case of codominance, both the genes express, both red color and white color they express, and they result in a combination of white and red color. And this phenomenon is known as codominance. To explain codominance, we are taking blood group as example. Here I am going to take, we knew that blood groups are A, B, AB and O type. There are 4 different types of blood groups are obtained. But here we are going to take only one particular group of blood to explain codominance. That is blood group actually AB. So I am taking AB into consideration. Imagine if a person has A blood group. This is the RBC. The A blood group individual will have A antigen on the surface. If it is B blood group, B antigen on the surface. If it is AB, they'll have A antigen. They'll also have B antigen, A and B. So if you take the allele or genotype for this particular form, we can able to find the genotype is IAIO. We knew that there are three types of alleles to represent the blood group are present in your bloodstream: IA, IB and IO genotype. This A and B is dominant form and O is recessive. If you get a combination of IA and IO, here the dominant gene is going to express its character. So we have got A blood group. Here IB, IO. IO cannot able to express because O is recessive. Only B is going to express where we have got the B blood group. So here the dominant gene is only expressed here. But in case of A and B blood group, both A and B is dominant. A and B is dominant. So both A and B dominant gene express their characters together. So resulting in a blood group known as AB. So this is known as codominance. This A is not going to mask the expression of B. B is not going to mask the expression of A. Instead, both A and B together, they expressed a new character. That is known as AB. Okay, that is AB blood group. That is the best example for codominance in case of human beings. And in case of flower, like in case of plant, we can take this red flower and white flower, where the red flower has got white spots. So both the genes have expressed here, both red and white color, where we have got the new combination of white and red color together in case of plants. There are a number of examples even in cattle. Okay, when we cross the black color fowl, so we'll take capital B, capital B. If you are going to cross with white fowl, we are going to get small b, small b. The combination of capital B and small b, where the F1 hybrid express or they have both black and white color feathers. So it is nothing but this capital B is not going to mask the expression of small b is not going to mask the expression of capital B, or only capital B is not going to express its character, but instead what happened, both the genes together, they combine together and they result in expression of black and white. Capital R into small r, small r. This is dominant. The genotype what we are going to get in F1 generation is same in all these three. This is to explain incomplete dominance. This is codominance. Imagine in case of dominance, okay. So if it is capital R, small r, I would have got only red color flower, where the capital R only expresses its character. Okay, we'll draw a flower so that you can able to understand a red color flower. So the petals are red in color. Because according to dominance, only the dominant gene will express the character. The recessive form cannot able to express the character. So here only the dominant was expressed and red color was appeared in the progeny in F1 generation. That is in case of dominance. In case of incomplete dominance, as we have learned already, a new combination. We have got pink flower in F1 generation. In case of codominance, a red color flower with the dots you can able to find. So both the genes have been expressed here. So both red and white as expressed here, where we have got both the colors are expressed in the F1 generation. But in case of in case of incomplete dominance, you can able to find the pink color, a combination of red and white, mixed combination of red and white. Okay, here in case of codominance, both the characters expressed together where the flower represented both red and white mixture. And here in case of incomplete dominance, where red and white results in a formation of new thing, that is pink, new color is known as pink color, where the dominant gene doesn't able to suppress completely the recessive form, so it expresses in pink color. But here in case of dominancy, where only the R is present, that is the dominant character which expresses red flower in the F1 generation. So there's a difference between dominance, incomplete dominance and codominance. Codominance is nothing but where the genes combine together, they express a character. It is not masked by the other group of gene. Eventually the two genes combine together and they express their character is known as codominance. By the next video, we'll learn about the next topic in classical genetics. Thank you.